Hi, we're Privateer.
I'm Scarlett. I'm the drummer.
I'm Olivia. I play guitar.
I'm Maeve. I play guitar and bass and also sing, yeah.
You also sing. And I'm Ruby. I play guitar, bass, and also sing.
I forgot I sing.
This song's about Zinspit and Alexis. You got a promise that you won't tell, 'cause you're being black. And you keep a pack beside your bed. And I'm not used to you, 'cause you're speaking freely. The liquor is making it easy, and I'm a wreck. And I keep having these dreams of my father, and he's at the table by himself. And I keep having these dreams of my father, and he's at the table by himself. Your promise that you won't tell, 'cause you're being black. And you keep a pack beside your bed. And you were slurring your words, and I knew 'cause you were eating. Don't you dare ask. And I keep having these dreams of my father, and he's at the table by himself. And I keep having these dreams of my father, and he's at the table by himself. I started, 'cause she sees the patterns and everything, begging to pull the car over, and maybe do some retail therapy, the cord allowed the Christmas sweep. 'Cause she sees the patterns and everything, begging to pull the car over, maybe do some retail therapy, frat party, petty theft, ambient milk tea. I know what you want. Why don't you want me? Why don't you ask me? Why don't you? Vomit in the bathtub, I clean it up. I know what you want, it isn't enough. I know what you want, it isn't enough. I know what you, fuck you, cunt. By himself, 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 he's by himself, by.
We all formed this band because me and Maeve met at the start of a school year at our college, and we just sort of jammed and then found some like-minded people, and then we just got in a practice room and sort of just kept rolling until we had some stuff we were happy with.
Yeah. We actually started as a Primus cover band for like a one-off
forgot
Primus
about
cover
that.
band for
Yeah.
a Halloween cover show.
It was awesome.
In which I dressed up as Les Claypool. We had a different drummer who we have since fired brutally and gotten Scarlett on the kit, which
I
was
put
the
up
greatest decision
posters.
of our lives, but we love you, Judah.
Yeah.
We used
Rest
to be
in peace,
called
Judah.
Munch Buck.
Yeah, it was because a girl we went to school with referred to the dining dollars that we has of those, but it sounds a lot less cool when I explain it like
Just
that. It
sounds
a little
really gross.
Sounds. I know it sounds like raunchy, so I liked it.
This song is for a free fucking Palestine. If you can't get with it, fuck you. Get out of our show. I'm serious. The sound of banging, banging, banging. The steel and wood is clanging, clanging. Claims
my first memory is playing mandolin, you know, like 3 years old or some shit. I don't know. Probably not. I started drumming in 4th grade and then didn't stop, I guess. Yeah.
This one is about reading internet blogs that make you want to kill yourself.
my God, that's a crazy question. probably like running around in the mud and dogs and like sour candy. I think those are the three. Those are the three big things.
This one's called Song About Fucking Your Wife.
She can't stand your face, earnestly shining but wax to cut to die, Converse hairball. Can't stand your face, earnestly wicked like all the rest. Mind piston, walking and roll the next one after that. I love the way you smile, so dissatisfied like. So dissatisfied like. Deeply seated, stuck in cold. Deeply seated, stuck in cold. Go home to you. Why did they only show the ugly ones on TV? I need to call my mother. I need to call my mother. Oh, better, I don't know. 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 Howdy, alone, think for trees. Deeply seated, stuck in cold. Deeply seated, stuck in cold. I can't stand you, 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 I can't stand you. Deeply seated stuck. Let's go to the park. Too brittle to touch. Yet I cannot help. Fuck you, please. Fuck you.
The best show was a rug burn. We won our we got second place at Battle of the Bands. I've been to Sleepy Time Gorilla Museum. They came to Portland. I thought they broke up, and I thought I'd never ever see them. But then they got back together, and they came to Portland, and I got to see them, and that's amazing. Yeah.
I think for big ones, I saw Jane Remover at Revolution Hall, and that was awesome. And I saw Slater Kinney at the Crystal Ballroom. But also, I went to the Blackwater Bar a few weeks ago, and I saw Jab and a bunch of other hardcore bands play with Scarlett, and it was really fun. We had a good time.
This next song is called penis cocaine, and it's about a fucking. The best show that I've been to was probably Underscores in Los Angeles. I flew across the country to visit the person who's now my girlfriend, and we went to Underscores, and it was a great night, and she put on a hell of a show.
I saw Swans at the Gothic in Denver, and that was lit. They're my favorite.
Oh God, I love these people. I really like playing music with them. So I don't know. I don't really plan for the future, but hopefully we keep going.